Hey there. Raise your hand if you've ever tried to make a big change in your life and failed miserably. Pauses, raises own hand. Oh, good. It's not just me. Diets that lasted 3 days. Gym memberships collecting dust. Duolingo notifications that haunt you at 3 a.m. Hey, you haven't practiced Spanish in 87 years? But what if I told you there's a stupidly simple way to get better at, well, anything without turning your life upside down? No magic pills, no dramatic makeovers, just tiny 1% changes. And before you roll your eyes, yes, this works. Even if your biggest achievement today was remembering to put pants on. Let's talk. Imagine this little guy is your goals. You want it to grow, right? So what do? You don't yell at it. You don't pour a gallon of water on it once a month. Grow, you lazy fern. Nope. You give it a little sunlight every day. A sprinkle of water. Maybe some nice music if you're extra. That's the 1% rule. Small, consistent actions that add up over time. Think of it like compound interest, but for your life. And no, you don't need a finance degree to understand it. Let me break it down. Let's say you want to get fit. You could try to go from couch potato to CrossFit champion overnight. You'll quit by Tuesday. Or you start with 1%. Do one push-up a day. Walk for 5 minutes. Swap soda for water once. Sounds too easy, right? That's the point. Here's the math. If you get 1% better every day, you'll be 37 times better in a year. 1% worse every day? You'll basically turn into a sentient potato chip. Your choice. Now, I know what you're thinking. But 1% is nothing. I need results, not baby steps. Okay, fair. But let's say you're saving money. If you save one a day, that's 365 a year. Boring? Sure. But what if you invest it? In 30 years, that's over $30,000. Suddenly, you're Scrooge McDuck swimming in a vault. Same with habits. Reading 5 pages a day, that's 18 books a year. Or Tolstoy's greatest hits. Either way, you're smarter. But what if I mess up? I missed a day. My life is over. Relax, perfectionist friend. The 1% rule isn't about being flawless. It's about direction, not speed. Miss a day? Do 1% tomorrow. It's like your GPS recalculating. Stop crying and turn right in 500 feet. Here's the secret. Small wins train your brain to keep going. Every time you do that one push-up or save that dollar, you're telling yourself, hey, I'm the kind of person who does this. And before you know it, you're actually that person. My grandma used to say, slow and steady loses the weight. Eventually. Wait, no, that was the tortoise and the hare. But you get it. Consistency beats intensity every time. So how do you start? Pick one area. Fitness, money, sanity, whatever. Ask yourself, what's the smallest, dumbest step I can take today? If your goal is to run a marathon, start by tying your shoes. Seriously. Walk to the mailbox. Then the end of the street. Then you're basically Usain Bolt, and celebrate the tiny wins. Did you meditate for 1 minute? Gold star. Drank water instead of soda? Parade. Your brain loves rewards, even dorky ones. Look, life's not a Marvel movie. You don't need a radioactive spider bite to level up. Just embrace the 1%. In a year, you'll look back and think, whoa, I'm kind of awesome. So go do something tiny today. And if anyone judges you, tell them a guy on the internet said it's science. Thanks for watching. Now go be 1% cooler. You've got this.